Matrice 4E and Mavic 3E. Both the drones are brilliant in surveying, mapping, and inspections. But there has to be a difference. If you're on your way to purchasing a high-performing enterprise drone, this is Xboom, where we break down the latest in drone technology to help you make the right choice. At first glance, both drones seem to do the same job. They're built for professionals who need precision in aerial mapping, infrastructure inspection, and even emergency response. The Mavic 3E is a compact, quick-deploying drone that is perfect for surveyors, engineers, and first responders looking for an efficient, cost-effective solution. With a 20 MP wide-angled camera, RTK support, and a 45-minute flight time, it can handle mapping and inspections with accuracy and speed. Its 56x hybrid zoom also makes it an excellent tool for inspecting buildings, power lines, and hard-to-reach locations. The Matrice 4E, on the other hand, takes things to a whole new level. While it covers the same sectors, it is used for large, complicated operations. In contrast to the Mavic 3E's fixed-mounted camera, the Matrice 4E is capable of holding multiple payloads such as LiDAR, multispectral cameras, and sophisticated RTK modules. This has made it the go-to device for professionals doing high-accuracy mapping, heavy industrial inspections, and security patrols. Since it can hold several sensors simultaneously, it can gather much more information in one flight. So it is great for oil and gas pipeline surveillance, big infrastructure inspections, and disaster response operations. So if you are using both drones for the same purposes, how do you select the correct one? The decision boils down to scale, sophistication, and price. If you require a light, simple-to-use drone that produces excellent results without the inconvenience of multiple attachments, the Mavic 3E is your best bet. It's ideal for land surveying, building inspection, and rapid deployment in emergency response. But if your job entails managing large-scale operations, involves multiple sensors, and calls for high-level precision, then the Matrice 4E is a superior choice. Consider it this way. Both will get the job done, but one is a high-speed, high-performance model, and the other is a full-scale giant designed for tough industrial applications. Your decision weighs on the depth of the information you require, the scope of your project, and your budget. No matter which one you choose, you're investing in top-of-the-line drone technology to change the face of the way you work. If you are searching for the best prices on these drones, visit www.xboom.in to check the prices and offers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional insights into the latest drone technology. Until the next one, bye!